Hey, welcome! My name is Marixel, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you my desktop setup. I'll also go over my PC specs and the peripherals I am using. I'll also include a little video of how I built this wonderful PC, so make sure to watch the entire video if you're interested in seeing that, and I hope you like it. Okay, let's begin with my PC specs. So I have the Corsair 275R case. Then I have 3 Corsair IQ RGB Pro fans and then 2 additional Corsair fans that came with the case. I have a 650 watt power supply from XPG. For my processor or CPU, I am using a Ryzen 5 3600 with a Noctua fan. For motherboard, I went with a MSI X570, and for graphics, I chose a 1660 Super from the Gigabyte line. For RAM, I have 16GB from the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro, and for storage, I have a SSD of 500GB from Samsung. Last but not least, I just have some RGB LED strips which I got from Amazon, and I just placed them around the case. Moving on to peripherals and desk accessories. I know I don't have a desk pad yet, but I am going to get one soon. The first thing you can see is my keyboard, which is from the brand Motorspeed, and it just has some red switches. I love it that it has RGB and I can customize it just pressing some keys. Then I have some HyperX keycaps, and next to it I have this Razer Death Header mouse, which is just very simple and has some white backlighting. Then I have this mini iPad which my mom gave to me. It's really old, so I just use it for streaming Netflix and YouTube videos. Then I have this phone holder which I also use to hold my iPad. And then I have this microphone from the brand Samsung, and I just record my voiceovers and use it for my video calls. I have this little fake plant which is from Target, and just some RGB LED strips going on in the background which are from the brand Goof or Goovy, which I totally recommend. I control them via Bluetooth and they are amazing. As you can see, my monitor is from HP, is the 24F. I believe is a 24.8 inches monitor, and it has a refresh rate of 75 Hz. And I decided to get some acoustic panels, and I think they look so dope. Lastly, for audio, I have 2 UVL speakers. This one is the Charge 4, then I have the Flip 4. And thank you so much if you watched the entire video. I hope it was helpful to you and you got some inspiration from my setup. Also, let me know in the comments if you would like me to do other videos relating to computers.